Number 6. Leafy greens. These colorful veggies that you usually push to the side of your plate are actually a secret weapon when it comes to bone health. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are packed with calcium, which is essential for building strong bones. And they are also high in vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone metabolism and improves bone density. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also a great source of magnesium, which works with calcium to keep your bones healthy and strong. And if you are not getting enough vitamin D from sunlight or supplements, some leafy greens like kale can help fill the gap. So the next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to load up on some leafy greens. Whether you're making a big salad, sautéing some kale, or blending up a green smoothie, these veggies are sure to give your bones the boost they need. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of vitamin D, and as we all know, vitamin D is crucial for strong bones. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is the building block of bone tissue. And let's face it, it's not always easy to get enough vitamin D from sunlight or supplements. So why not get a little boost from your breakfast? But that's not all. Eggs are also high in protein. And as any gym rat will tell you, protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle. But did you know that it's also important for bone health? That's right, your bones are made up of protein, so you need to make sure you're getting enough of it in your diet. Also, eggs are a good source of other bone-boosting nutrients like phosphorus and vitamin B12. Now, I know some of you might be worried about the whole cholesterol thing, but don't worry. Recent studies have shown that eating eggs in moderation doesn't have any significant impact on cholesterol levels, so go ahead and enjoy that omelet. Number 8. Whole grains. Whole grains are a rich source of nutrients like phosphorus and selenium, which are essential for strong bones. Phosphorus is a key component of bone tissue, while selenium prevents bone loss and even reduces the risk of fractures. Whole grains are also a good source of phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. As we age, our estrogen levels decline, which can lead to bone loss. But eating foods like whole grains that contain phytoestrogens can mitigate this effect and keep our bones strong. And let's not forget about the fiber in whole grains, which keeps our digestive system running smoothly. When we're constipated, our bodies absorb less calcium and other bone-building nutrients. So keeping things moving with fiber-rich whole grains ensures that we are absorbing all the nutrients we need for healthy bones. And if you're worried about gluten, there are plenty of gluten-free whole grain options like quinoa, brown rice, and gluten-free oats. Number 9. Seaweed. Seaweed, that slimy, salty, and sometimes crunchy plant that grows in the ocean, is a fantastic source of nutrients that keep your bones strong and healthy. Seaweed is a nutrient powerhouse, containing calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin K, and bioactive compounds. These nutrients work together to promote bone health. But what makes seaweed even more impressive is its high content of phlorotannins. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which reduce bone loss and maintain bone density. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Medical Hypotheses and Ideas found that phlorotannin-rich extract from brown seaweed promotes healthy bone formation and strengthens the bones. Number 10. Prunes. Prunes are a fantastic source of both calcium and vitamin K, two essential nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining healthy bones. They also contain boron, a mineral linked to improved bone density. Studies have shown that boron reduces the risk of osteoporosis, a condition in which bones become weak and brittle, making them more susceptible to fractures. But wait, there's more. Prunes are also a great source of antioxidants, which protect your bones from damage. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to oxidative stress, which can lead to cellular damage and various diseases, including osteoporosis. Antioxidants neutralize these harmful free radicals and strengthen your bones. So start prioritizing your bone health today and reap the benefits of a long and fulfilling life. Next time you're grocery shopping, think of it as a chance to load up on bone-boosting foods and invest in your future self. Also, make sure to add exercise to your routine alongside a healthy diet to keep your bones strong and healthy for years to come. And keep up with routine medical checkups to monitor your bone health, especially if you have a family history of osteoporosis or other bone-related conditions.